exhaust automatically cost check.
No. For some reason I broke my math book.
You what?
I broke my math book.
Why?
I don't know. It was just on my back, so I just left it there.
Do you time lapse that then?
Pardon?
Are you time lapsing that or
No, it's just recording normally.
you get all the audio as well?
Yeah.
Cabin crew prepare for manual safety briefing.
Why do people record? I don't understand.
He's got a YouTube channel.
Views, man.
He's got so many subscribers.
43.
So many.
I'm famous.
On the way.
That's why we're in first class.
Oh my god. Brian, if you'd been rich and famous, you could have paid for the flight.
I could have.
I mean, he paid for his flight.
Yeah, exactly.
It was a good one. I've got the smoke. Oh my god.
Yes.
Why do we?
Yeah, I have one. I love one of them.
I used to have a Zoom.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Crazy uncle boy.
I never ever got one. Yeah, what? Come on, go.
What?
Okay, Nico.
I don't understand.
I've got an eye on himself, don't worry. I know. It's okay, Nico's excited. That's okay. I've got these everywhere, so.
How much charge do you have on your Nintendo?
The real
I've got
question
like
is.
100.
I'm chilling.
Okay, good.
We will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft that you've flown on before.
There's a
Please
charger
study the
on the
safety
plane.
card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of the doors.
Oh my god, do you know what happened once?
In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind that this may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slide. High-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened. It must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it is fastened and adjusted like this and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Oxygen masks like this will appear automatically. If you are wearing a face mask, this should be removed before putting on an oxygen mask. Stay in your seat and pull the oxygen mask towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on a coloured streamer to release your mask. Make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There is a whistle and a light for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft. Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stored in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move it, but let one of your cabin crew know. Devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat purse socket when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright and in the takeoff position, with the armrest down and your table folded away. Window blinds must now be open in preparation for takeoff. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted anywhere whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you do have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
Break. Stop there, it's fine. Break.
We're moving.
Been moving for a while.
You know what my brother did once? He was reading this, and the person comes up and starts showing him how to do this. He reads that if the plane crashes in the water, he has to put on the life jacket, which is on the sheet. He does that. He looks and sees the guy putting on the life jacket. He's really worried because he thinks he's crashed. He starts crying.
Just because you saw someone with the jacket.
Yeah, I thought he had crashed into the crash. And he's
Seatbelts,
actually
please. Seatbelts, please. Seatbelts, please.
So you're cool. You don't cut.
Doesn't your arm hurt?
Yeah.
You'd help.
It's okay.
It's only like 2 days, Papa.
Day and a half.
Show your face.
Cabin crew, take your seats for takeoff.
What? Why do you want to make it bigger? I can explain how it works. So to go to when it takes off, the shutters are pointed up to the exit.
So Ben, what's your favourite part? Landing or taking off?
It depends where.
So what do you prefer now?
Right now, taking off because it's in gym, but landing is boring because it's in Heathrow.
Okay.
Why?
But generally, it's landing.
Okay.
Have I wasted so much battery? It's supposed to last me.
Play too much.
I do. Trust me, I do. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I need to turn the lights on, and they need to check with the air traffic control that they can take off.
Yeah, true. Do you think we'll be attacked by Russia? By Russian
I'm
air?
gonna read that part.
Let's not pushing it over.
Blast off!
We're not doing it. It was a pretty good move.
It's not really turbulence.
turbulence.
You've not been through turbulence, and this is turbulence for you.
I'm not sure. I haven't been on a plane before.
Oh my god, that's a really big tank.
Yeah.
We once sailed across this. Oh no, like in little speed. That was really scary. And you know what happened? This really big tank wave. And he went like this. He ate literally the
Yeah.
wave, like went inside. Not like it was very like really big. And then once.
Afternoon to you all. My name is Jessica and it is my pleasure to be your employee crew member on board this flight to London Heathrow Airport. I would like to add a special welcome to those customers returning from our executive club and those
The
joining
last
us
video I did like this got 120 views.
We do recommend that you keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated and they must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. When it is safe to do so today, do take care when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. We are pleased to offer you our Wi-Fi service on today's flight.